Here I have INFINIX Hot 11S, and today I'm going to show you how to speed up this device. So firstly, you have to go to the app manager, phone master, and just select boost now option, and it automatically boosts your system apps. Let's boost it, of course. Optimizes your memory, frees storage space, and after you can also clean it from junk files, but as you can see, I don't have anything to clean here because my phone is new, so yeah, here on this app you can boost different stuff, clean, check for viruses, and speed it up slightly, I guess. It depends on how unclean your device is, I guess. So yeah, and that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.